Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to remote learning, boys and girls. I hope you are fine and enjoying your vacations at home. We have started our week number 4 and this is second lesson for remote learning. We have started our chapter regarding festivals. Before I start and revise our previous lessons and today's topic, keep your copy, skill book and stationery items with you along with your book so that you may do the written work after once we complete the discussion. So this chapter was started yesterday and we discussed about the festivals. What are festivals? These are days of celebration. So what are the celebrations? Celebrations are the events which are done in order to acknowledge something. So in order to make it easy, for example, during our month of Ramzan, we all fast because it is our religious activity that we do in order to fulfill the important guidelines which were given according to our religion during this holy month. So we celebrate this month in order to perform all those religious rites which are assigned to us by God Allah Almighty in the form of fasting. And now we talk about some other things which are also the part of festivals. For example, the Labor Day, Pakistan Day. Then in the other religions, there are also the days which are celebrated according to their religions. We talked about Christmas and Diwali, and in the same way, there are other nations in the world who celebrate their festivals which are religious in nature. So today we will discuss about all those religious festivals which are celebrated by the other nations, and if they are not religious in nature but they are the days of celebration. So this is page number 52 of your reading book. Open your reading book. Let's start with the reading of this topic, other festivals. So Diwali is the Hindu festival of lights. This is celebrated by turning or lighting the candles and some other small lights. The whole house is decorated with lights. They might be fire lights or some other smaller lights. It marks the return of Rama and Sita at Ayodhya after 14 years of exile. So this time it is celebrated by Hindu community in order to celebrate the return of Ram and Sita back to their birthplace. Another festival which is the religious festival of Hindu, that is Holi. Holi is the colorful festival. This is celebrated in order to welcome the spring. So this is basically a spring festival of Hindu, and different color, whether they are dry or mixed with water, they are thrown each on each other. So the people, they use them and throw with the help of water or dried ice in order to show their happiness during this occasion of celebration of the arrival of spring. Now Dussehra is a celebration which is done as a result of the celebration, victory celebration of Rama, who won and defeated the demon Ravan. So this is a sign of victory. This festival is a sign of victory of good over evil. Now comes Vaisakhi. Vaisakhi is a festival which is celebrated by Sikh community, and it is celebrated in the mid of April in each year. Now Basant is a festival, spring festival. It is celebrated in February in the Punjab. People wear bright festival clothes and fly kites This is very important. In past it was celebrated countrywide, but now the restrictions are imposed because there are many accidents which took place during this celebration. So basically it was celebrated by the whole country throughout, and it was full of color and festivals, and kites were even seen in the sky. So this was the celebration which is now restricted in Pakistan especially, but the other countries they also celebrated. Now Nowruz is again a religious event that is celebrated by the Persian community or the Parsis who are living in the world. Wherever they are, they celebrate this event, and this is a traditional Iranian New Year holiday. This is basically a New Year holiday at the start of New Year of Persian community or Persians, and they are basically Parsis by religion. It is also celebrated by the Zoroastrians, mean Parsis. So in a Persian calendar, again those people who follow this, they are Parsis and Iranis as well. So Iranis and Parsis, they if they are not having the same religion, they can even celebrate this Nowruz. So Irani also celebrated, and it is possible that they are not Parsis, but they celebrate this event of Nowruz. And similarly, the Parsis they also celebrate it because it is also celebrated by their special person like Zoroastrian. Nowruz marks the spring equinox when the days and night are of equal length. Special dishes are prepared for this day and special prayers are said. So you can see from this picture, this is a table which is set for Nowruz event, and you can see different type of dishes over here. So this is how different cultures, different nations, and the people who are the followers of different religions, they celebrate their important days as a festival, and this is how the festivals are conducted throughout the world. Now boys and girls, this is the time for the written work of today. And before I start the written work, again the instructions are same. You must keep your copies and your stationery items with you. So here is the written work for today. This is the page number 29 of your skill book. Don't forget to write down the date at the top of your page. So after writing the date, let's start what is here. Here is the statements. There are different statements, true and false statements. Number 1 is Muslim fast during the month of Shawwal. Is it true? No. We have just gone through it that Muslims celebrate and the Eid in the month of Shawwal. This is not fasting. This is the Eid which is celebrated after the month of Ramzan in Shawwal. We should celebrate the Independence Day. That is true. That is a mark of our nation. Eid Miladun Nabi is a day of great importance in the Christians. No, this is for Muslims. 25th December is the birthday of Qaidism. This is true. Before 1947, the land we call country was ruled by the British. That is true. Now, there are two questions for you also. Why do we celebrate festival? We celebrate festival because they either have religious importance or mark some special event. Last question is, what religious festival is celebrated in Zilhaj? So Muslims celebrate Eid ul-Adha in Zilhaj. That is all for today. See you soon. Allah Hafiz.